Could you please tell me how to reach the nearest ATM?
I would say that
Repeat that sentence. Some words.
some words work worse than worthless words do.
Yes. So the other day we were discussing about conducting an event. In our day-to-day life, we meet and greet people. We have to, sometime we get an occasion, we get a chance to speak in the public. So make use of another daily situation where you will have to speak in English, you will have to support, you will have to guide someone is when someone is asking you for some directions. Imagine you are walking on the sidewalk, footpath, then someone might ask you, "Excuse me, ma'am, could you please tell me how to go to the nearest ATM?"
Okay.
Sometimes you order something and your delivery boy will call, "Hey, ma'am, I'm somewhere here, I'm lost. Could you please tell me how to reach your house?" Of course, you might be telling him in Hindi, but let's practice in English.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So the first of all, don't tell me the right address. Imagine someone, I have to come to your house. I'm at your nearest railway, which is your nearest railway station.
It's called Katkodam in Hadwari city.
Katkodam. Okay. So imagine I'm at that railway station. So how to reach your house? Could you please explain how to? When you are helping someone to find a place, you have to
Okay.
give directions. When you are taking or when you are talking to some service persons who is trying to deliver something to you, or Amazon, you order something on Amazon and they want to reach your place, then you have to give directions. So all these time, and there are many vocabulary you should learn when you are giving directions, which we will discuss one by one. Okay, first of all, tell me how to reach your house.
Okay. Uh, let's say if my any of my relatives are coming
Mhm.
by the train and they are in Kathgodam, and before it they have never come to my home, so they are asking me. Suppose they are asking me, Minakshi, how to come to at your home. Just give me your directions clearly. So I would say that you have to take a taxi first of all, and come through the route. I would say there are few points over there, like from you will cross and Domino's, and then a bus station, and after that you will cross a main market, and then there will be one roundabout. You have to cross that one, and there would be after that there would be a small bridge. You have to take the right way or right street, and then after in banquet hall you will have to take lane number 3 or 4, I would say. Then there is my house. Is
Do you
it
think
okay?
that was the correct directions? Do you think if you give this kind of direction, will that person reach your home exactly at your place?
I think, sir, this can be a confusing
Mhm.
direction
So little
because
more, little more. So when you're giving directions, first thing you will ask, what is your mode of transport? Are you coming, are you walking down to my place? Are you
okay,
taking a cab, or are you coming by metro? Are you coming by bus? So first you ask, okay. Or even before that, you can ask, where are you right now? Oh, I am in the railway station. On which gate are you? Are you on gate number 5, gate number 4? Because everything changes depending
hmm,
upon his current location. Of course, we can give them the Google Map directions, current location you can share. But this is why we want to practice English. Okay.
great.
Then imagine he is coming by a cab or e-rickshaw. Then you have to say from the point of his current location, okay, just towards the main road, walk like 10-15 meters, you'll reach the main road and you can see a bus station or a bus stop or an auto stand or a taxi stand. You take the taxi and tell him, I want to go to this place.
Hmm.
Okay, it is hardly 15 minutes from that place.
Okay.
So you are giving, asking the current location, then mode of travel, the road number, street number. You should give some landmark cinemas. You can see national cinemas. You can
Hmm.
see another cinema theater, or you will see a mall. You will
Hmm.
see Marina Mall. You will see Phoenix Mall. So these are very important,
Hmm.
giving landmark. You will see the government hospital, you will see national cinema, you will see the State Bank of India branch, or you will see a government school on your right. Go past that school, you will see a park, cross that park, and in the next cross junction, take a left, and it is just around the corner. Just around the corner. So one more time, try please.
Okay. So first of all, I need to ask them what
Mhm.
is their mode of
Mhm. Mhm.
reaching my at
Okay.
my home.
Mhm.
So I would say that may I know at in which gate number are you right now?
Mhm. Okay.
And if you come out from that gate outside,
Mhm.
you will see a lot of cabs are over there, and
Okay.
you have to book any cab, and it will take almost half an hour to reach you at my place. So I'm going to give you a address which
Mhm.
can help you to reach at my home. So whenever when you will start uh, coming from that railway station, uh, you will come from that main road and you will see one Domino's over there. You will cross that, and after coming ahead, after coming 5 minutes ahead, you will see there would be a roundabout, and
Mhm.
you will have to take left turn, and then there would be one lane, and uh, in front of that lane there would be one gate, and then one
Mhm.
gatekeeper would be standing over there. He will ask you your address and phone number, and then they will inform me. That is the procedure of entering our colony, and he will ask me and confirm that if the person
Whether
is
I
going
can
to allow
allow the
me,
person. Mhm.
whether I allow the person or not, and I will say him to how to say that to send you
Yeah,
at
I
my,
will give him permission,
I
and
will
he
give him
will. Yeah,
I will give him permission, and yes, then after that they will allow you. And if you want that I need to come over the in front of the gate, so I will come there and take you with me.
wonderful.
Is this better?
Second time far better, because
Okay.
you learned how to say. First time I did not give you the instructions, what to add, this landmarks, color, gate color. Sometimes you can say, oh, that's my house is an independent house. So if you reach that gully, you will see a BMW parked at the entrance. BMW car parked. So it's another landmark. A black BMW car is parked at the road at the entrance, and there's a watchman. You can ask him and my part number to confirm so and so. Go to the chat box. You see, go past the cinema. You will see the National Cinema House, and go past. मनी उसको क्रॉस करके जाइए. Go past
Hmm.
means cross that. Go along this road. Go along this road. Okay. If someone is asking, okay, you go straight along this road. Go through that tunnel. After
Can
that, you will reach a tunnel. Go through that tunnel. These are some phrases you can use. Or at the roundabout, take a left turn.
okay.
At the roundabout, take a right turn. At the roundabout, cross the roundabout and then take the first exit. Okay, take the first exit, turn left at the crossroad. Chauraha pe, you take left at the crossroad.
Okay.
Now you talked about reaching from the railway station, reaching home. Imagine you are walking and someone is asking, "Ma'am, could you please tell me where is the nearest ATM?" So you know the ATM, you are a resident of that locale. So you, how will you say that? उसी रोड पे सीधा आप जाइए, थोड़ा दो तीन बिल्डिंग के बाद लेफ्ट मोड़िए, वहां you have to tell some landmarks to reach the ATM. Please try. Excuse me, ma'am. Could you please tell me how to reach the nearest ATM?
Yeah, sure.
Mhm,
You have
mhm,
to go straight and cross the roundabout and
mhm.
take in first exit, and after that there would be another
Small street, street
another
number two or street number three. Mm.
okay, another street number three. Although there are two or three ATM over there, but first one would be the of Axis Bank. If you want to use that Axis Bank ATM, so you can use that. Otherwise, there are so many ATM over there. You can check it first of all, and then use it according
Thank
your
you.
convenient.
Thank you. Raise is now, how would you ask? You want to go to the nearest mall.
Hmm.
So you don't know, you are new to that place. So please ask me. Mm,
I would ask, hello,
mm,
excuse me, sir. May
mhm.
I know what is the nearest mall over here?
Oh, nearest mall is Marina Mall. You want to go there? You want to go to the Marina Mall?
Yes, I would
Oh,
like to
okay.
go.
Oh, okay. It's from here. It's around 7 to 10 minutes. So, would you like to go by walk or would you go by an e-rickshaw?
I will take e-rickshaw. I will prefer to
Okay.
take e-rickshaw.
Okay. So you just take an e-rickshaw. You can stand here. The rickshaw. You can hail. You can hail an e-rickshaw. Go straight. After like 100 meters, there is there is a cross junction. There is a crossroad, and take right turn. Take the right turn, the first right, and go past. On the left, you will see a post office. Go past that post office, and after around 1 kilometers, after about 1 kilometers, you reach a government school, and this mall is right behind that government school. You will not miss that. So altogether, it will take around 7 to 10 minutes, and the rickshaw fellow will take 50 rupees.
I think I need to work on my articulation, right?
Yes, this is why I am asking you to read it. Okay. Now, this is nothing to do with the direction. Can you read this?
Okay. Some words, some words work worse than worthless words do. Some words work worse than
Some
worthless
words
words.
work worse than the worthless words do.
This is
Worthless, word,
worthless,
work, work,
worthless.
worse, worse, word. Like, like, how do you articulate the word WORK?
W,
ORK.
work, work.
Work. You see, yeah, it
W
is like,
O R K,
yeah,
work.
but when you speak, when you pronounce it, is like work, work, WERK, work,
Okay, R
work.
would be silent, right?
No, art is it is
Word,
like work, word, like word, WORD, like read it like word,
word,
word.
word,
Word.
word,
It is not
word.
word. You are not using. You are good only. You are using it in the right word. Some words work worse than worthless words do. All are the sound. This is like no, for better articulation.
Hmm.
Take 10 sentences and say that. Repeat, repeat, repeat. One more time.
Work,
Mm,
work,
mm.
word, 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 work, word.